Drawing is a timeless art form that allows individuals to express themselves creatively and capture the world around them. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your artistic journey, or a seasoned artist aiming to refine your skills, this comprehensive guide will provide you with the resources you need to draw animals, people, and nature with confidence. Drawing a realistic and anatomically correct dog can be challenging, but with step-by-step instructions from Eston Loyford, you'll gain the skills necessary to draw any dog breed. Learn to capture the underlying structure that all dogs share, making your drawings more authentic. Eston Loyford also guides you through the process of drawing a cat, offering tips on developing your drawing skills and understanding feline anatomy. The tutorial includes insights on recognizing a cat's internal skeleton, essential for drawing various cat breeds accurately. Horses can be challenging to draw due to their unique anatomy. The tutorial simplifies the process, covering the fundamentals of horse anatomy and mechanics. You'll discover how to avoid common mistakes and create lifelike horse illustrations. Drawing a wolf requires an understanding of the differences between wolves and dogs. Eston Loyford video tutorial explains these distinctions and guides you through drawing a side view of a standing wolf. You'll also learn how to add a winter coat for added realism. Eston Loyford shares a tutorial on creating a cunning and alert fox using soft pastels, charcoal, Conte crayons, and pastel pencils. Learn how to build up darks and lights to give your fox a realistic form. The tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to drawing a side view of a bird, using an American robin as an example. Explore the major body parts, carve out mass and structure, and add intricate details such as facial features, feet, and feathers. Follow Eston Loyford step-by-step tutorial to draw a side view of a male African lion. Learn to establish the skeletal structure, sketch in form, and add details to create an accurate representation. Discover techniques for depicting a roaring lion. Capture the world's largest land animal by following an in-depth video tutorial. Start with blocking in shapes and covering basic anatomy, then move on to the elephant's mass and skin details. Learn how to draw a realistic bear that doesn't resemble a teddy bear. The tutorial offers pro tips for getting the anatomy right, ensuring your bear looks convincing. Dragons are staple creatures in fantasy art. The guide includes 16 pro tips for drawing your unique dragon, from considering its backstory to using color effectively. Eston Loyford's 4-step tutorial using pastels explains how to draw realistic fur on an animal. He uses a wildcat as an example, resulting in an incredibly lifelike depiction. Tips for painting fur on a large beast using Photoshop. Discover how to use scattering-type texture brushes to create the illusion of fur. The guide teaches you how to draw feathers with a 3-dimensional finish using pastels. Explore techniques for highlights, shading, and realistic feather rendering. Once you've mastered drawing animals, learn how to infuse personality into your creatures and characters. Expert tips will help you create cartoon animals with distinctive personalities and convey stories through body language. Learning to draw the human form is a fundamental skill for artists. Drawing a realistic and anatomically correct person. Importance of drawing what you see rather than relying on preconceived notions. Discover different approaches to ensure your human